What if I told you there was a food that was gluten-free, sugar-free, dairy-free, and soy-free? Would you eat it? What if it was keto-friendly? What if it was paleo-friendly? What if it was even vegan-friendly? Would you eat it? What if it was a superfood? Would you eat it? Well, if you've heard of nutritional yeast, then that's what I'm talking about. And if you haven't, then let me tell you what it is and why you should include it in your eating plan. First of all, it has all the amino acids you need so you can easily digest it. It's got protein in there, up to 6 grams per 2 tablespoons. It's got B vitamins, all of them with the exception of B12. It's got trace minerals, it's got minerals in there, it's got fiber in there. So why wouldn't you take it, you know? What does it taste like? What exactly is it? How is it made? Well, it's actually got this cheesy taste. And instead of using cheese, you can use this. You can actually put it on, I personally don't eat popcorn, but people that like cheese or on their popcorn, they could put it on that. You can put it on your spaghetti squash, if you have potatoes, sweet potatoes, salads. You can put it on anything that's hot over your eggs. So you can get that because you can add it all in there because you're gonna get that extra B vitamins as I mentioned. I'm gonna mention some of the benefits, how all this works. So what is nutritional yeast? You're thinking yeast, it's a fungus, it's gonna cause me to have candida. Actually, no, it's made from a species of Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So what that is it's actually it's fermented and grown on beets or molasses, I should say, on molasses. And what it does, it's like they just dry it up and they use it. I'm gonna pull out I've got a couple of them here. So here's one from Trader Joe's, and here's one from Bragg's, okay? So they have like a darker yellow color. Actually, these have had B12 added to them, but normally it's more of a pale yellow. That's how you're going to know. And when you do buy this nutritional yeast here, you wanna make sure that you buy something that hasn't been enriched. So you want to make sure that you are getting something that is more natural. So these are pretty safe. I've been using Bragg's for quite a long time. So this is one of the brands that I love. So now that you know what it is, what are some of the benefits? Well, it's got the B vitamins. B vitamins are great for energy, for your hair, for protein synthesis, for healthy mitochondria. It's also got chromium. Chromium is to help with blood sugar, especially those that are craving sweets all the time. Diabetics, it helps with insulin sensitivity. It's got selenium, which is good for your thyroid. Remember, your thyroid is your master fat-burning gland. It sets the metabolic rate for how all the other cells are working in your body. So that's going to be really important. It's got zinc in there. Zinc, dudes, you got to listen to this because it's great for healthy testosterone levels, but for women, it also helps with the ovulation process also, so that you can, every month, lay that egg. So if you want to have a baby, it's time for that fertilization. This is going to be helpful for that as well. What else did it have in there? Glutathione. Glutathione is a major antioxidant. So when you think about antioxidant, I kind of assume everybody knows what exactly is an antioxidant. You can think of, if you think about oxidizing, that means it's kind of like rusting. So it's like if you've ever lived in where it snows and the cars are rusting, that's oxidizing. So just think that this is an antioxidant, so it's almost like preventing rusting in your body. So oxidation creates inflammation, premature aging, so it actually creates a lot of problems. So having glutathione in there is a major antioxidant, so it's great, a benefit for that. Other things, it's got beta-glucans for stimulation of healthy immune cells. Say this, in Germany, they prescribe this, okay? Not as like medication, but almost like a recommendation. So It's often used for like people that have acne, really like really bad acne, chronic acne. They have diarrhea. They have low energy. So those are the big things. Candida. So when people think of yeast, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's nutritional yeast. I'm going to get a yeast infection. No, this is an inactive yeast. So they even use it in for candida. So, and as I mentioned, immune stimulation. So there you go. Why wouldn't you want to add this in your daily routine? So a couple tablespoons is really all you need. So like I said, give it a try. Your soups, your salads, any of your vegetables. It's great on asparagus. It's great on broccoli. And it just kind of gives you that cheesy taste. And you can also, like I mentioned earlier, make a vegan queso for my vegan friends out there. All right, so if you are liking these tips, please, 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 just share them. I'm trying to make this place a healthier world. All right, so please like our channel, share this, and stay tuned for more health tips. And I will catch you on the next video. See ya.